Today we have a Jeep Liberty. We're having a problem with the engine light goes on and off, on and off. So we're gonna be replacing this sensor. So to replace this sensor, you're gonna need this special socket. Okay, you can rent it out or you can buy it. And as you can see, you can go from the front of seat underneath. I got a flashlight right there. You have to make it easy, remove the oil filter. I unplug the plug out. Now you can put the socket in it all the way in. That's it. If it's perfect, now you get your I think you're gonna need a little extension with a ratchet. Let's get it. These sensors, or it's an oil pressure switch. It's not supposed to be super tight. So I think you need to put a lot of pressure on it. So I got a small extension with a ratchet. Just turn it. I can't put it all the way in because I got the belt in my way. Well, that's it. It's coming out. It's loose. The socket is 1 and 1/16. I not even noticed the size is right there. Okay, we got it out. Now this might leak a little bit oil, so make sure you got a bucket or something. And we got the switch out. The switch is like $15. It's all beat up. So we got a new switch. As you can see, we have oil inside. It's not supposed to be wet. Sometimes they leak a lot of oil. So that one had a better days. So this one already have with a like a Teflon tape on it. So we're gonna put it in hand tight. Okay. I'm gonna put my hand first. I'm gonna put my finger first to make sure nothing is on no dirt around the hole. That's gonna go in the hole. It's all clean. Sometimes you clean it, and what you do, you lose the dirt around it. So I think it's a good idea to should brake clean it and shoot air on it. I should have done it. Too late now. Oh, yes. Time out. I dropped the switch. I'm trying to use it with my left hand. I found it right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna try my right hand. Oh, plug is dirty. Like that. It's clean now. Okay, let's try again, but now with the right hand. Like that. There we go. Put my finger on the hole first. Right there. So now we're gonna guide it in. Come on, get in there. Get in the hole. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. This is fun. Que hija de tu madre. Can you believe them going? No, sideways. Okay, that's straight. Just wiggle it up and down. Don't put a lot of pressure on the plastic, just like that. Okay, now we need a socket. Now try to go by hand. Right there. And now we're tying them up. Now use a 3 ratchet, but this is not gonna be super tight. That piece is aluminum, so it will break very easy, and it won't be fun to take it out. So I need another extension. Hold on. Okay, so now the plug, just push it all the way in, and we gotta get a new oil filter. We're not gonna use the same filter, but that's the way you change the oil pressure switch. It's very important to use this socket. Is 1 and 1/16, so it's a skinny, so you can go in nice places. If you are a mechanic, buy one. If you're just fixing your car, you can just rent an AutoZone. That's it. All right, good luck.